TVI. Pull over. Hop out. Hey, step out for a second. Come back here. Talk to me. You better not reach for anything. Hop out. Come back here. Come back here. Come back here, man. I'm Trooper Valente, Arkansas State Police. First time I stopped you, man, is because your tags were severely expired and you about cut off a car back there. Keep your hands where I see you. You have your driver's license on you. Where's your driver's license at? In the car? Yeah. Just hang out here. I'll get your ID. What's your name? What is it? Joseph Bassett? Bassett? How you spell that? I'm at Armour Street, North 50th. It's a black Jeep SUV. Paper tags.
Page 34, Smith 1098.
CFS received. CFS comments added. CFS comments added. CFS comments added.
This is a 2020 Jeep Cherokee, and have you been pulled over in it before?
Yeah, they were on the ticket for it.
Okay.
Out of date or something. I think it was rolling.
I got you.
I got a van for you.
Go ahead.
Should be Robert Frank George, Boy Sam 1, David 01, George X-ray Adam, Edward 158. Last one is 9. I guess I got the number somewhere. We'll get you again. Robert Frank George.
Hey, where are you coming from, man? I'm sorry? I got you, man. Were you coming from home?
I was coming from home.
Oh, okay, got you. I'm just asking you, is there anything a car need to know about? You mind if I search it real quick?
Why do you want to search it?
I'm just asking, man. No? Okay, just stick right here. 31 enforcement.
Go ahead.
Can you contact Fortune and PD to see if they got a dog available? I got a refusal.
CFS comments added.
Hey man, I'm on North 50th and Armour out here with a black Jeep coming from the apartments off of Johnson Street, and I got a refusal. I saw you earlier. I didn't know if you were close by.
Yeah, I'm right over here on 27.
Okay, 50th and Armour. Yeah, just right by that church or that old building, that old mansion that's closed down. Okay. I appreciate it. Bye.
CFS comments added.
31 enforcement.
31 good.
I was able to contact the canine officer. He's en route. He'll be here shortly.
CFS comments added.
10-4.
Hey, Mr. Bassett. All right, so I'm gonna have a canine. Keep your hands out of your pockets for me, man. I have a canine en route. Okay, he's gonna do his search. Okay, not of the interior, but just run his dog around it. I'm sorry.
Why are you searching my room?
Because just you were really wanting to get away from me. Okay, you cut off a car. You saw me. Okay. You cut off a car on North 50th just to get out of my get away from me. Okay, but whatever. Who's your friend? Who was your friend that you're coming from? You said you came from a friend's house.
Yeah, down on
54th Street. Okay. Okay. Well, I'm just going to conduct. He's going to bring his canine out here, do his thing, and I'll get you out of your way. All right? So we're just going to hang out here until he gets here. He'll be here about 5 minutes. I'm sorry? Yeah, that's fine.
CFS comments added.
Armour Street.
I got him. Hands! You better put your hands on the fucking window now! Pull out now! 27, the camera. Pull out! Get on your fucking face now! Get on the fucking face now! Get down! I got him.
Oh, yeah. That's what everybody says. That's what everybody says. How about you shut up? How about you shut up? How about you shut up? There you go. Don't shut up.
Check you out. Stand up.
I just got nervous.
Stupid. You're getting nervous. I know you're about to run. You took your big old run.
I didn't want to run. Go ahead and start the run for it.
Stop rolling this, bro. You decided to. Traffic.
Yeah, I told her already. We're at Kelley in North Side. Kelley in North Side. Just west of Midland. Hey, I saw your hat flying. It's on the road.
It's on the road?
Yeah, it's on the road.
Okay.
So if you walk on this patch.
Okay.
30. That's in the original location where they were in 1024. His hat flew out. It should be on the side of the road. If you get somebody to go out there, force McKitty or something.